lalabs! Kamusta po kayong lahat? Welcome back to another vlog. Happy Wednesday! Ngayon lang ako nakapag-start mag-vlog kasi syempre may tinapos pa ako mga trabaho. It's already 12:23 at ako po ay naglalaga ng tawag dito pork belly kasi nag-request si Papa Dave ng ramen for dinner tonight. May napanood kasi siya kagabi na gumagawa ng ramen. Sabi ba naman sa akin, pwedeng gawin mo yan tomorrow. Sakto. Sabi ko, meron akong ramen noodles na nabili sa Japanese grocery store nung nakaraan. And then meron akong bok choy, mga ganyan. Ang binili ko lang actually sa labas is yung pork belly kasi lumabas ako kanina para malaga ako na siya ba. Para mamaya hindi ko na siya problemahin. Anyway, tayo po ay gagawa ng fried enoki mushroom. Natakam ako sa nakita kong vlog ni Miss Simple Race. Sarap na sarap po siya doon sa niluto niyang enoki mushroom. Sabi ko, ay gawin ko nga rin yan, matry. Kasi hindi ko pa siya natry. So, slicein lang natin yung ating mushroom ng ganito. Tapos, hugasan natin siya. Ayan. Hala, sana ma-perfect natin to kasi crispy na crispy talaga yung kinakain ni Miss Simple Race doon sa vlog niya. Thank you po sa inspiration. Na-inspired kay Miss Simple Race mag enoki mushroom. Ayan. Gawa tayo niyan. Parang marami yata to. Ayan. First batch muna. First batch. Muna, itry ko muna ng isa lang muna. Tapos, tingnan natin yung ingredients na ilalagay ko kung okay ba siya. Ayan. Okay. Charon. Hugasan natin siya. Babad ko lang siya sa water. Kuha ako ng bowl para sa ating pancake mixture para sa enoki mushroom. Ayan. So, meron ako ditong baking powder, meron akong paprika, meron akong potato starch. You can use cornstarch, and then flour. Yan yung ating butter mixture para sa ating enoki mushroom. Baba ko lang kayo dito para makita nyo yung ating ginagawa. Ayan. Okay, half cup muna ng flour. And then, half cup of potato starch. Buti na lang may potato starch ako kasi naubusan ako ng cornstarch. Half cup din yan. Okay. And then baking powder. I think maglagay lang ako ng nito. Ilang teaspoon ba? 1 teaspoon lang. Lagay natin ng 1 teaspoon. Okay. And then paprika. Oops, marami. And then garlic powder. Salt. Ayan. Lagay tayo ng konting chicken powder. Para may lasa. Ayan. Haluin natin. Lagyan natin ng water. ito na yung ating mixture. Alam niyo kung anong wala ako dito sa bahay? Mayo. Masarap sana yung sausawan nito is spicy mayo. Painit na tayo ng pagpiprituhan natin. Sana masarap ito. First one. Second, third. Try na natin ang ating fried enoki mushroom. Ang ginawa ko pala mga kalalabs, kailangan hindi siya makapal yung yung mixture natin. Kailangan thin lang siya para ma-achieve niyo yung crispiness ng ating mushroom. Ganyan siya. So, try na natin. Kain po. Hindi ko muna siya isasawsaw. Meron akong sweet chili na sauce dito. Pwede nyo siyang isawsaw sa spicy mayo. Pwede rin siya sa vinegar. Pero ako ito lang muna yung sausawan natin. Ayan, try natin kung crispy ba talaga ang ating enoki mushroom. Patry ko tayo kay Nicole. Hindi dito siya. Oh my God. Masarap nga. Instead na fried chicken, fried enoki. Para nga siyang chicken eh. Ngayon, sausaw natin siya dito sa sweet chili. Na-achieve ko yung crispiness. Yung una kasi na nilagay ko, makapal yung butter niya. Pero nung sabi ko, lang natin yung itaktak natin siya bago natin siya i-fry. At na-achieve ko yung pagiging crispy niya. Para nga siyang manok. Nicole? Try mo to. Meron siyang nagre-ready siya eh. Wow. It's good. Sarap. Luto na ulit tayo mga kalalabs. Gagawa na tayo ng ating ramen na napakadali lang ng ingredients. So yung ingredients lang nito mga kalalabs is miso paste. And then we have shiitake mushroom. We have onions, ginger, and then garlic. Maglalagay din tayo dito ng soy sauce and chili oil. And then, Kewpie mayo. Maglalagay tayo niyan. Ito yung mayo natin. Ayan. And of course, bok choy. Maglalagay tayo ng bok choy para mas masarap siya. Umuwi si Papa Dave dito kanina. May pinick up lang siya. And then, after niyang pinick up, punta siya ng bangko. Sabi niya, he will be home around 20 minutes. Pero magluluto na ako para pagdating niya dito, kakain na lang siya. Naglalaga lang ako ng itlog. And then, ilalaga ko din tong ating ramen noodles. Ayan siya. But for now, hintayin lang natin yung aking lutuan na uminit. Parang basa yung ilalim ng ng aking... Ayan, parang basa siya. Okay. Lagay ako ng olive oil dito. Konti lang. Igigisa lang natin yung ating yung ating mushroom, onion, and then yung ating ginger and garlic. I think yung itlog ko okay na. Ay lang, kunin ko lang siya saglit. Kasi ayaw natin siyang sobrang tigas. Oopsie. Ayan. Bigyan ko siya ng water. Okay, let's do gisa-gisa. Walang katapusang luto. Si Mami Faye, luto everyday. Excited actually ako dito sa ating ramen. Kasi first time kong gumawa ng ramen. Dito sa bahay na hindi siya authentic ha. Again, hindi siya authentic. Ano lang to. Like, ramen-ramenan lang. So, first na lulutuin ko is yung mushroom. Para ang dami kong mushroom, pero tayo ang kakain. Kaya deserve natin na marami siyang ingredients. Ganun lang yun. Diba? Gisa natin yan hanggang maluto siya. Lalagay ko na rin yung aking noodles. Dagdagan ko siya ng olive oil. Parang kunti lang yung nailagay ko. Hintayin natin itong magisa. Add natin yung ating onion, ginger, and garlic. The aroma. Bango. Hintayin natin yan. Hanggang sa maluto siya. Maluto siya. Okay, next, lagay tayo ng sabaw or kahit anong stock yung meron kayo, chicken stock, vegetable stock. Pero ang gagamitin ko is itong pinagpakuluan ko ng ating pork. Kasi andyan na yung lasa niya eh. Ayan. Sayang naman kung hindi natin ito gagamitin, di ba? There you go. I think that's more than enough. Hintayin na lang natin tong kumulo and then saka natin ilagay yung ating miso paste, yung ibang ingredients niya. Hello! I'm making ramen. Ay! I'm making the ramen. The ramen. See this? Again, mga kalalabs, tansya-tansya lang yung ko ha, ingredients ko ha. Kayo na lang bahala kung ano yung desire ng inyong puso. Kung gusto niyo ng marami pang ingredients, go ahead. Pero ako, tansya-tansya lang. Ang hirap mo naman buksan, bebe. Ayan. So, yung miso paste na kinuha ko is, soybean paste is mild lang. Ito yung itsura. Yan yung ating kinuha. Para, mababa yung kanyang sodium. Okay, lagay ako ng miso paste. Dagdagan ko na lang mamaya kung kulang pa. Madikit pala siya, be. Madikit ang miso. Miso paste. Okay. Let's add like that. Add pa ako ng konti. Mix, mix, mix. Dito na si Papa Dib. Dito na yung dalawa. May magsasabi, good times na me! Good times na me!
Hi.
Hi, are you excited with my ramen?
I am. What? I thought you told me to go out for ramen. I already went out for ramen.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but yours is better. So I'm excited.
You-joke ka na naman. Open natin ito. May tinatago ka na naman dyan, Beb, ah. Ang kayamanan ni Papa Dave. Tinatago niya doon sa tuktok ng Okay, lagay tayo nito. Konti lang. Depends, kayo ang bahala kung ano yung gusto nyo. Kung marami, go, go, go. Pero ako, nilagyan ko lang siya ng konti. Para maging, siya, creaminess. Yan natin siya ng soy sauce. Mukha na siyang yung pangalan nito, yung sabaw ng ramen talaga. Maglalagay din tayo ng salt and black pepper dito. Depende kung anong kung kailangan pa o hindi na. Then, huwag niyo lagyan. Pero kung gusto niyo ng mas maalat pa, lagyan niyo. Kasi may soy sauce na rin naman siya eh. Uy! Lumalasa, lumalasa. Lagyan ko siya ng chili oil. The ramen that you requested, I make it for you. Only for you, love. Only for you. I bought everything. I bought omega-3. I bought the magnesium. I bought the new collagen. I love the collagen because we need that. Diba, mga kalalabs? Ayan. Ooh! Okay. Lagay natin yung ating pok choy. Sabay-sabay na to mga kalabs kasi para manuot yung lasa ng pangalan. Parang ang dami ng bok choy ko, pero as what I said, mas gusto ko yung full-on ingredients para sulit. Okay. Tabi na natin to kasi hindi na natin siya kailangan kasi okay na yung nilagay ko. I am happy with the taste. Papakuluan lang natin to hanggang maluto yung ating bok choy. Actually, dagdagan ko siya ng black pepper. Ayan. Hindi ko na siya lalagyan ng asin kasi alam ko na maalat na siya. Hindi naman siya maalat na maalat. Yung sakto yung lasa niya. Ngayon, prepare natin yung ating pork. Slicein ko na siya. Then let's slice the porky.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Excited na.
Wow.
Who said I can't do the ramen? Of course I can do ramen.
Is it black ramen or is it?
Asian ramen. What is it? Chinese ramen?
Hmm.
Let's see what's gonna happen to this video. Let's see if you will rate it as a Asian ramen or okay. The ramen. Homemade ramen. Try po natin yung aking ramen, mga kalalabs. Kumakain na kami. Sila pala, yung dalawa. And sabi naman nila, okay. It's good. Actually, it's yummy. Sarap siya talaga pag spicy din. Lagyan ko pa nitong nabili kong chili oil sa Japanese grocery store. Na sobrang, talaga, masarap. Yan. Kain po. Gabing-gabi na, mga kalalas. Gabing-gabi na talaga, no? Ano oras na ba? 7:13 p.m. At on the way na tayo sa, ni Nicole, sa kanyang basketball trial. 1 minute, we will arrive to our destination.
So we're gonna watch her.
Ang tahimik naman dito, B. Are we not allowed to watch you?
I thought we were invited. I thought we were invited.
No,
She's anxious.
This is,
no, I'm being serious.
this is so embarrassing. I was gonna wear my baloney hat.
Leave me.
We're gonna
Give me
bring
an N. Give me an I. Give me a C. Oh, Nicole!
Team Red, Yellow, Blue, I'm gonna be your cheerleader.
Yo, what up? You got Jack, son? That.
Ang lalaki ng mga bahay dito din
Okay, where do we
pala.
go?
Where do we go? This
Where do we
one?
go?
Is this the school?
Where do we go?
Here.
No,
Yes.
but where? At the gym. Where's the parking lot?
Here. Just park here, oh.
Now your
Huh?
destination
Oh, here,
is
oh, in the front.
Yeah, but is
Yeah.
there like a parking lot or something? Or a gymnasium? Where's the gymnasium?
inside the school.
Yeah, but how do we get there?
How
It's locked,
Inside
right?
the school?
Okay, we're gonna watch you. Okay, wait, hold on.
Yeah,
We're gonna watch her go in because I don't want to walk.
are we
around
not allowed to
school.
get in there?
Yeah, of
You're not
course.
coming in with me.
Huh?
She's
Why
embarrassed.
you're so embarrassed? Bakit yung mga kabataan ngayon, mga kalals, parang ayaw na nilang kasama yung mga magulang nila to do
Yeah.
their stuff. Right? Why is that? They're very embarrassed of their parents or something.
Is this true, Nicole?
Are you embarrassed of us, Nicole?
Wait, actually, can I call my friend first to make sure it's the right gym?
See?
What do you mean? You should know. Do you have the love? Like,
Yeah,
because you're the one who paid, and then what
Yeah,
the
I checked
school?
on you.
Oh, I
The
see,
varsity
okay.
team. I don't.
Varsity. Yeah, I checked. It is Notre Dame school. So we're at
Is
right
this the
place.
one? Itong school na to, mga kalalabs, kung saan gaganapin yung ni Nicole, tryout niya sa basketball, is hindi ito yung school niya. Ibang school. And malayo to sa bahay. Hindi siya walking distance. Kailangan mo mag-drive or bus. I think the bus goes there, love. Like the bus,
Maybe.
yeah.
Alright,
Ano,
let's see.
natawagan mo na ba?
She's in the Uber, so I can't really call her.
Are we not allowed to get out, love?
What do you mean? You're not allowed to follow
Let me
the
just get out, and then I wanna see.
Mark.
I'm not going inside, Nicole. Come on, Nicole.
Yeah, we want to see you go
I
through
wanna
that door
see,
and
like-
everything.
I wanna know if it. I wanted you to be safe. Come on, girl. You don't want me to see if it's safe. Ay, Nicole talaga. O dito yata. Huwag niyo kami no, it's fine. It's all good. I like your bag, actually.
Big.
The color is nice. Yan yung bag na pinabili niya, tapos sabihin niya malaki daw. Nakakaloka si Nicole. Ayaw niya kaming manood. Gusto ko pa naman makita kung paano siya maglaro. Ayaw niya kaming manood, B. Anyway, yung ibang parents, dinadrop off din nila yung mga anak nila. Pero yung iba, manunood. Kami ni Papa, di ba kami makakanood? Kaloka, Nicole. Sige na nga, punta na kami sa pet shop.
There, because then we can put the pet food inside the...
No, you don't want to do that. PetSmart. And then mga kalalabs, baka pumunta kami sa Canadian Tire, baka dyan ko mahanap yung luggage ko. O, diba? Let's see kung ano mangyayari.
We should prank Ube and give her a big bowl of birdseed.
Birdseed?
And see what happens. What is this?
You're so mean to her.
The prank.
It's a prank. Look at those fish. Oh, are they still alive?
Huh?
Look at
Watch.
that. Hello.
Sleeping. You can't put them together, they fight each other.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. I don't know. Ube's gonna like... Oh, look at those ubis. There's a lot of ubis, love. Come here. What?
Nicole goes home, takes a bus. She needs to wear one of these.
Look at those. Ubis, friend.
Oh, show the kitties.
They look like ubis as well. Ubis. There's a lot of ubis. Hello. Hello. Oh, they look like ubis sister and brother. How about you? How about you? You're so cute. You're so cute. Oh, they're so cute.
How come
Ubis
we didn't come
friend.
here when we were looking for a cat? We couldn't find one. We had to go
I
to
know,
that weird
right?
place.
But maybe it's for us. Ubis for us. Hello. 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 Look at her. Bev, she's playing here. Oopsies. Tapos na tayo sa pet store. Ito naman tayo sa Canadian Tire. Tingin kami ng luggage ko. Iniisip namin kung ito. Kasi, I think this is the same size as you have, love. May pinagpipilian kami. Yan o yun o. It's the same, right?
Yeah, I think that's a good one.
Yeah? And it's lighter than the other one down there.
Generally, BSF is carry including AirAsia, many budget airlines.
Okay.
Size. It's actually standard international carry-on size.
Ito yung gusto ko. Ito na ba yun? Parang iniisip
Yeah,
ko.
it's the right size.
Yeah, I'm just thinking. Wait. Iniisip ko kung bibilin ko na ba siya ngayon or sa Winners. I feel like para siya kasing mga kalalabs. Para siyang pangalan nito matutumba para sa akin pag
Do you know they reject hard ones at the gate more often?
Oh, really? The hard one?
Yeah. They
Oh.
reject it at the gate more often because it doesn't fit in the things as well, and that one it could squish into the
Oh,
overhead.
I see. Okay. Pag-isipan ko saglit. Wait. Hindi ko binili yung luggage, mga kalalabs. Sabi ni Papa Dave, bilin ko daw. Sabi ko, hindi ko siya feel. Parang pakiramdam ko, pag nilagyan ko na siya ng mga damit ko or yung gamit nilalagay ko sa luggage, matutumba yung kanyang yung kanyang gulong. Alam niyo yun, hindi ako bibili basta-basta ng alam ko na hindi siya good quality. Pero yung presyo niya, mahal siya. Mahal yung price niya. Nasa 130, something like that. What is that? You want an ice cream?
It's got sprinkles. It's
I don't like ice
whipped
cream.
cream.
Ito na naman, panira ka talaga sa... Panira si Papa Dave sa buhay ng balik alindog ko talaga. If you want it, let's go. But I cannot eat that all the time. We just have that.
Look at you, Nicole.
Nung nakaraan lang, nag-ice cream, pinagbigyan ko na nga eh. Ha? You want? Let's go. Or the hot chocolate. I don't know which one is healthier. Hot chocolate. Wow, that's so much, babe. I don't think it's a good idea for that. It's already 8. I don't think it's a good idea.
Korean. Oh, they got healthy mangoes.
No such thing is healthy.
That's healthy, look.
Here.
Mangoes.
Yeah. Kita nyo ba? Parang hindi, no? Yeah.
Kita mo ba?
I don't know. Papadip talaga kung ano lang gustong kainin din ito.
Oh, it's like a little man.
It's matcha. Okay. Bukas na lang ako bibili ng luggage ko, mga kalalabs. I'll try my best to find it tomorrow. Kasi yung luggage din pala no, mga kalalabs, i-check nyo kung gaano kabigat yung luggage nyo. Because by its own, yung luggage, sometimes 3 kilos na siya. So yung hand carry kasi, ang available na niyan is 7 kilos. So kung yung luggage mo nasa 3 kilos na, ano pa ilalagay mo dun? Ano na lang, sapatos, 2 damit. Ay, nako. Sabi ko, tingin na lang ako bukas. So, kailangan ko i-check kung gaano kabigat yung luggage. Kasi yun, 2.5 kilos. Is that 2.5 kilos? The luggage? Right? 2.5 kilos.
Yeah. 3.5.
3.5? That luggage that you're telling me to buy?
Yeah, isn't that crazy?
Isn't it
That's like
crazy?
half the weight.
Yeah, I know. Let's just bring plastic instead.
Yeah.
The
that's
garbage
actually kinda
bag.
Smart.
Ayaw kasi namin mag-check-in ng luggage, mga kalalabs. Like, we rather have a hand carry so it's easier for us to take the luggage right away because waiting time at the airport for your luggage is crazy. Like, every time na umuwi kami ng Pilipinas, pag meron akong hand carry, 1.5 hours yung hihintayin mo. Swerte mo na kung makuha mo kaagad yung luggage mo. Pero yung luggage, oh my God, ang tagal-tagal niyan. Kaya we are trying our best na hand carry. Kasi hindi naman mabibigat yung dala namin. Yung damit lang talaga yung dala-dala namin eh. Si Papa Dib ito expert, hand carry. Hand carry traveler. Expert to expert. And then meron pa naman kaming tag-isang backpack or ako isang backpack or kay Nicole. And then isang hand carry. Nako, ang hirap-hirap isipin kung pati pag-i-impake, ang hirap-hirap isipin. Anyway, mag-e-end na rin ako ng vlog. I think I will be ending my vlog here, mga kalalabs. Salamat po sa panonood ng vlog. Sana po ina-enjoy nyo. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't yet. I-ring nyo po yung bell icon para ma-notify po kayo sa tuwing mag-upload tayo ng panibagong video. See you on our next vlog. Love you all. Bye-bye, love.
Bye-bye, love.
Bye-bye, love.